Hi, welcome back everybody. This is Paul with Southern Adirondack Outdoors. We'll be heading over to the sawmill in a minute, but I'd like to first do a little update on the beaver dams and the beavers themselves. And you can see their main dam is right here, and they have a lower dam over there, and their lodge is through there. Right, didn't come through too good on camera, but very sizable lodge. And I've been all around this area, Andy and I both, for the last week or so, and we have seen no sign of the beavers. The water level's down an inch or so, and we suspect they did not survive the winter. Either they ran out of food, the bobcat got them, or maybe they just decided to move somewhere else, but they don't appear to be here. So, sad news. We're gonna do one final test. We've looked for all the usual signs. No fresh chewings, no fresh slides coming out of the water. So I suspect they have long gone. We haven't seen them on camera either on the game cam since late fall, early winter. I think early winter. So I think they vacated the premises. And over here is this little subsidiary. They plugged this little trench up here. I hear cracking over there. Let's see what's anything over there. Thought I heard cracking like someone coming through the trees and stuff. So anyways, so what I'm going to do as a final test is dig out a little bit of this. It's not big, so I'll do that and bring it back in a moment. It's going to be as a test to see if they repair it or not. Well, I dug a little trench. Not much water flowing through. I only dug down maybe an inch and a half into the below water level. So I think what the plan is, I'll come back tomorrow and see if it's been fixed or not. We're at the sawmill. Hopefully when I check the beavers tomorrow, that would be dammed up, that little hole I just made. All right, everybody, it's now tomorrow, I guess you'd say, and I'm at the beaver dams. And our little trench that we made to see if the beavers would fill it back in is the same as how I left it. So I'm afraid the beavers are not here. Anyways, okay, back to yesterday. Hopefully. On the mill today, we have a very banana-shaped and, well, generally funky soft maple. Now this log was in our saw pile, but it was then got destined for the firewood pile. Now it's probably destined to go into the woods to rot. But I figure there's enough wood in there to get some interesting pieces. And my brother-in-law, Jeffrey, he's the one who moved out from Oregon last year, along with my sister, of course. He likes funky wood with an interesting character. That should be interesting. He makes projects out of them, keep them out of trouble. Big knot there. Some more down here, looks like a double knot, and then the crotch at the end. So he likes this stuff, so I figured I'd cut this whole log for him and hopefully get something out of it. Something he can use, hopefully. But we're going to start here at the top with this weird Y and take some slices off of there, and then probably end up some slices on the other end, and we'll see what we get. And by the way, with this log, you won't see me centering the pith or leveling, cutting to the bark, parallel to the bark, or anything like that. This is just getting funky wood. I don't know how else to explain it. Oh, you guys want black on me. There you are. Okay, believe it or not, this is the sort of stuff he likes. Broom. It's all spalted and interesting grain. So interesting little pieces, and I'm sure he'll make something out of them. So I'll get those cleared off and we'll keep on going. Okay, with that last cut, I can now move around to the other end of the log and take this horn off. That looks like a good spot to start. I'll just take a little bit off the end here, and then we'll go deeper. Might even want that. I doubt it. Nothing too exciting on that one. I never know what he wants. He has more of an artistic eye than I. So basically that means the weirder the better. And I gotta stare at it for a minute and figure out which way is the best to turn it next. I decided to cut it. The middle section is rather straight and boring. I'm gonna cut it here and down here, and then mill both ends. so I'm gonna roll this one off out of the way, then probably flip both these over 180 degrees and well, see what they look like. Got the other half positioned, and I'll make a couple cuts and see if I can go through both at the same time at something that's a reasonable height. And I'll probably do a couple cuts and put you on time lapse the rest. All right, everybody, got that all sawed up. And as you can see, these are a bunch of the initial pieces. Like big guitar picks or something. Some have rotten on the edges, but they can be trimmed off. And I got more of, too many actually. I can't show you them all. I ran out of wall space. I had to leave some together there. But it's very, very beautiful for being so spalted. And I left this one on the deck to show you. I put some water on it. And this is one where when I swept it off, I went, wow. And this is some pretty looking stuff. I'll go around the other side here. This one might be too nice for brother-in-law Jeffrey. Wow, camera doesn't do it justice. Can't quite get the light. It was beautiful. So I guess this just goes to show that even the funkiest, ugliest looking log can have some beauty inside. So I hope you liked the video. Please be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Let's see, I saw somebody do this once. Who was it? Could have been Two Brothers Outdoors, maybe. Lift and yeah, it's not working for me. There he goes. Perfect.